Mountain Tunnel is one of a series of 3 tunnels that are single conduits that deliver water from Hetch Hetchy Reservoir down to the regional water system in the Bay Area. And so each one of those tunnels is a critical piece. Mountain Tunnel is a very critical piece of that because it is where all the drinking water from Hetch Hetchy comes. 85% of our supply passes through the Mountain Tunnel.
As you can see by looking at the tunnel wall and the tunnel floor, there has been quite a bit of erosion that's taking place over that time period. And so this interim repair project seeks to patch up the walls where the defects have exposed the rock around the tunnel.
The tunnel was originally constructed 1918 through 1925, so it's virtually 100 years old. And that lining has deteriorated. So right now we're in the second set of interim repairs to get the worst places where the tunnel lining has started to deteriorate to a point that we don't find acceptable.
The mountain tunnel is the critical artery that brings water from Hetch Hetchy all the way to San Francisco. All the water that ultimately goes through the Hetchy system flows to this point.
Along the way, they generate some power to also provide power to Muni and things like that. So it's a very efficient way to bring water from the mountains to the city for drinking and for fire suppression.
Yes, it needs rehabilitation and repair, but it is not nearly in as bad a shape as we thought it might be. So the work ahead of us is important, and it's going to take some time, but we feel confident that we're going to be able to get another 100 years out of this tunnel.